Linkin Bio. If you are a good user of Instagram, and if you are a regular person who posts on your Instagram, you'll always feel this thing that Instagram only provides like one URL inside your whole your profile. So let me just share one thing. So Linkjoy is like, one of the products which we've come across. It's one of the products that I want to share. Like you'll always see that, it just allows you to have one URL inside your Instagram account. And it's ideally there because it's an app and it does not want people to go out of that product and, go to a third party places where, people, they get less users at the end of the day. And this is an app. So you don't want to do that. So now, for example, in our case, this is your Instagram profile. And whenever you click on any of the Instagram profiles, what happens is that most of the people face this issue. Like they want to take their target audience to a specific article, or a specific blog page, or to a specific page where they want their audience to go to. So what happens is that everyone says that because they cannot add any links from here. It always says that, you need to check out your check out the entire video. You should just go to your link in bio. So in this case, what we have done is something over here. Let me just start sharing my, let me just take a walkthrough with you. So I want to create, in my case, I want to create Linkjoy's once link in bio for them. Let me just do that. So basically, this is the campaign name because I want to create a campaign on Linkjoy. Yeah, the agency that I work for, and I want to create a campaign for them and create a link in bio. Just do that. So I have created this link, which is like my campaign link, which I can be using in my Linkjoy's Instagram profile. Once you get started, what I have to do is simply add a username that's public and it's available for everyone to use. I'll just add Linkjoy social. And then I just need to click on bring my post. And what it'll do is just replicate everything that's there on my LinkedIn account, or that's there on my Instagram account to on my link in bio feature.
Got it.
Just wait a minute.
And so while the posts come in, one of the things that I'd like to add and share with everyone who's here is also the fact that when you get Instagram, the likes and the comments and whatever it is, engagement that you get in the posts of Instagram are essentially vanity metrics, right? So the reason why you have an Instagram account and the followership on Instagram is that you can get your followers to come to the place where they can perform an action that's of benefit to you, right? And so if they are just on Instagram, there's just no point of getting likes and comments from them. You actually want them to either buy your book or subscribe to your newsletter or sign up for your product, whatever it is that you're doing. And this is a great way to do that. So Instagram only allows you to put in one link, and here's a way for you to convert that one link into multiple links. And so Pooja, I think we fetched all the posts from Linkjoy, and so please take it over.
Yeah. So just making sure that you get a whole view. These are the same posts which were fetched and the same that has come over here. So for example, in my case, what I want to create in my link in bio is that I want to create all the contents which is relevant to my place, where I want to take some of the people to a specific page. I don't want to put a link to all of these posts. I just want to make it for a specific post.
Correct.
So so let me just add, like in my case, I just want to put it for 5 or 4 posts right now. And I don't want to include other of the rest of the things because they are quotes and, I just want people to get interactive, like with likes and comments. But in certain cases, I want to take them to a third party. So in my case, what I want to do is this. So what I'll do is I've created this link. I have already done this homework that I've gathered all the links which I want to take it to third place. So that is like one thing which I've done.
So I think the first character is a space. So you may want to remove that. The first character. Yeah.
So basically this link got saved and I'm able to create my first, save my first link. Now the second link which I wanted to add over here is I just added. So then I have set my second link, and I'll go forward with my third link over here. I want to add it for this. I don't want to add it over here because they are just post of simple. And then
the fourth one, yes.
Sorry. Okay, so, yeah. I've added my third link. Let me just do it for 2 more so I can just show you a good amount of feed in and create my Linkin Bio.
Sure.
And I'm just fetching more feeds because I want to use somewhere like some of the things which I want to use are from like later posts. One more. That's the last one. So I added my links. That is like the first thing which you need to do when you create your own feed. When you fetch your own feed, and just you need to set your links where you want to be. Next step ideally is like you need to go to profile and set up your brand guidelines over here, which is like you need to add in a brand photo about yourself.
Yeah, and so this essentially makes sure that the Linkin Bio page looks exactly like your Instagram profile page.
Instagram profile page, yes. In my case, I've added Linkjoy's logo. I'll just add Linkjoy. I want to add in as my button name as visit website or visit us.
Yeah, so this is an additional call to action that you also get at the top of your profile.
Yes, it's optional. So certain people would not like to share if their brand audience is like very well known. But I'd like to add in just for the people because I'm selling one of the products which I want people to know about.
Just copy it from the profile, from Linkjoy. No, not this one, from the Instagram profile itself. Yeah.
Okay, great. I'll just do that. I just want to add in a 2-line brand description over here, and just want to save this thing. Once I've saved, what I have to do is like I can just click on my Linkin Bio link which I've created for myself. What it does, you can just see. This is how it appears on your Linkin Bio. So now I click on visit us and it'll take me to Linkjoy's website. Once I click it on, the first post which I wanted to know about was about a webinar and the report that has been created, then I'll be taken over there, that specific page. So if you want to add in your, in Linkjoy's case, if they want to add in any of the resources which they have, like specific articles, blogs, or wall of love, or testimonials that they've got from other people, or any feature descriptions, then this is how you can get your people to know about your product, and this is how you can retarget them to a third-party links.
Oh, this is awesome. So what this means essentially is that, let's say if I'm a seller, I can turn my Instagram account into my store. If I'm a publisher and if I'm writing stories or news for that matter, I can again turn my Instagram account into a list of all the stories that we've written. If I'm an affiliate, I can turn my Instagram account into a list of all the products that I'm affiliate of. If I'm an event organizer, I can turn all of my Instagram posts into call to actions for buying tickets to that particular event. And so this essentially turns my complete Instagram account into whatever action that I want people to perform. And then what I can also do probably is like add UTM parameters and stuff like that to know which profile is working and what's not.
And also, let me just help you out like in those terms. So we also provide something which is like a layout of this product. So if you want to change in your brand outlook in Linkin Bio feature, it's part of our roadmap, but it's just going to come soon. So you can change it according to your likings, and you can set like however you want to keep your brand guidelines. And like for example, the logo you want to place it in the middle, the buttons like bit center aligned, like you want to create whole center aligned idea, then you can create all those things to customizable layouts. Yeah. Then there's like one great thing which everybody should know about is like the integrations that it allows. So it can allow you to track, like you can add your own Google Analytics ID, or you can add your tag manager, you can add your Facebook pixel to know where your customers came from, whoever clicked, who are the visitors, like what are the geographics, and you can play accordingly, and you can create your whole link in bio according to that after gathering that data and knowing about it. So it'll just help you to get one step forward with it. So in my case, what I want to do is if I want to add in a custom scripts, like I want to add in a custom bot for my link in bio page, I can do that. Like, let me just showcase to you. I already have one bot access. So I'll just use that bot access right now and showcase to you. You can run any custom script which you want. You can place it in the head and the body according to your requirements. Mm-hmm. So let me just refresh, and it'll just take like micro milliseconds. So this is it. It came over here, and you'll be able to have a customer service experience also added to you, adding through a custom script.
Got it. So basically, if I have a lot of followers, I can also see what the heat map of this page is by adding something like Hotjar, or if I want to support my customer, I want them to initiate a chat, I can put in as you've done, talk about
a custom bots.
Yeah, and obviously I can measure through Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, all of those things are also there. And then I can also add exit pop-ups, right? So I can create forms that appear when something is, when the tab is being closed, and stuff like that. And so the intention is that the link that we have currently open in the browser, that's put in the bio of the Instagram,
of your Instagram profile. So you can just add it over there. And it just helps you to make an easy, smart, and one of the best things about this is it's mobile responsive. So if your crowd is like coming from a huge background of, young people, then this plays a huge amount of, interest. Like everybody's going through mobile. So you can just create this and, you can share it. People who are using mobile, they can click and, you'll be able to see the magic.